Katelyn, from the first time we met, you already went above and beyond the in sickness and in health portion of what it means to be committed to someone for life. Whatever may come, I will guide you. Whatever may come, I will protect you. Whatever may come, I will continue to love you for the rest of my days. Actions speak louder than words, and what you've done for me in the past and until now has shown me what true love really is. I'm looking forward to the opportunity to reciprocate the generosity and acts of service you've ever given me throughout our entire relationship. I love you so much, and I'm very proud to be your husband.
In these past 10 years, we faced and conquered a lot together. We survived high school, tackled nursing school as a team, made long distance work when you had to go to work every year for months at a time, moved to North Carolina, and built our dream home together. Growing up with you has been just as fun as it has been challenging. I promise to stay by your side and continue to support you as you forge your path in life, to continue to grow and experience life by your side as your best friend, not just as your wife. I also promise to always work on being a good listener, even when you're ranting about getting totally destroyed by some noob on Super Smash Bros. I love you so much. I'm excited to be your wife.
I love you very much, and I'm very proud to become your husband.